Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Orange County and East Central Florida, Northwestern Osceola County and East Central Florida, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Buenaventura Lakes, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orlando, Kissimmee, St. Cloud, Buenaventura Lakes, and East Lake Tahoe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.